Okay guys, we're going to discuss question number 1 from our worksheet 2. Okay, so this question actually they give you this diagram already. Okay, in this diagram they are saying to you OA C is a triangle, okay, and then they say OAB is a sector. Okay, so the Roman one actually asking you to find angle AOB in radian. Okay, so let's see what information we have. The information is given that the area of this sector, okay, OAB sector is 10 cm square. So they ask to use this 10 cm square and this radius to find the radian. So what we can do is we utilize the formula of area of sector. So I'm just going to write here very quickly. So formula for area of sector, okay, will be just a recall session for you, 1 over 2 r square theta, and bear in your mind your theta must be in radian. That means we are expecting to see in our calculators radian as well. So what we're going to do to find the angle, we have to do a bit of our back calculation. So we got our area of sector 10. So I'm going to write here 10 equals to 1 over 2. Our radius was given 4 and we are lacking of our theta. Okay, so now we do our calculation, we should get the answer. So here will be 16 over 2 theta. So you bring over theta equals to 10 over 8. Okay, so 10 over 8 is actually 1.25. so I'm going to ask you, so now this 1.25 is the angle of AOB, so they are in what unit? Please remind yourself it's in the radian. Okay, must write this, must write radian, or you can write the small r, doesn't matter. Okay, so moving forward, for the next question they ask you to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so I'm just going to use the same color. So they want to know the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, this question maybe seems hard, but it's not that hard. Okay, so how do we identify the perimeter of the shaded region? I'm just going to shade in green color pen. So the shade region is here. Okay, so it's here. Sorry, earlier I used ruler. Okay, so now we want to know the perimeter. So what we have, we can actually find this curve. Okay, so I'm going to just write here what I can find. Okay, so this one we call arc AB, because perimeter we must plus this arc, this line AC and the line BC. So for the arc, okay, arc AB, I can find using S equals to R theta. So I'm going to write here S equals to R theta. A bit of recap. To find length of arc, we can use S equals to R theta. Take note the theta must be in radian as well. So I'm going to use that formula. So radius is given 4. Theta we found already 1.25 here. Okay, so R is 4 and then theta is 1.25. Okay, so by computing it, you will get 5. Okay, so we know arc of AB is 5. We got this ready. Now our headache is to find line AC and line BC. Okay, so this is a trick here, guys. If you read the question properly, they already said the tangent to the circle at A. This is a circle. AB arc is a circle. So they're telling you this line is tangent to the circle. Okay, let me just get another color to show you as a recap session. Okay, so a long time ago we learned, if there's a circle, okay, and there's a line being tangent, oh my god, okay, sorry, if the line is being tangent to the circle, this point it will have a 90 degree. Remember, if there's a line, okay, tangent, okay, tangent to the circle, then it will have 90 degree there. So the same thing here, at this point here, indirectly it is a 90 degree. So when 90 degree, you know this is a right angle triangle, so you can easily use Kasotwa to find what they're asking for. Okay, so actually I want to find for AC. So for AC I can use tangent because I got here 1.25. so I'll write here AC. So tangent 1.25 equals to a tangent. Tangent is, so for this angle, this is your opposite, this is your adjacent, which is AC over 4. So my AC will be equivalent to, okay, this is a trick part. I mean, all of you usually used to doing tangent in what we call that degree. So make sure you change your calculator mode to radian first, because our angle is in radian. So it's still doable. Okay, times 4, and then you get 12.04 here. Okay, so that's the length for what we call that AC. Okay, so now moving forward, we are lacking of one more, okay, which is the BC. Okay, so to find BC, we have to actually find a whole, see, I repeat, we have to find BC, have to find this whole length, no choice. Utilize the triangle, find the whole length, and then we minus with the radius here, because if here 4, here so should be 4. So I repeat, this whole length minus this, you will get the length of BC. So I'm just going to write here. For the first step, I'm going to find OC. Okay, let me just station it somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to find OC. To find OC, what I can do is I actually use sine or cosine, so it doesn't matter lah. So I think for this case I will just use cosine. Okay, so cos of that angle, cos, so adjacent over cos 1.25 equals to 4 over the OC. So OC equals to, sorry, I didn't see that. Okay, so OC equals to cos 1.25, sorry, 4 divided by cos 1.25. okay, so you get 12.68 there. Okay, let me just write first 12.68. so now we got this length 12.68. so bear in your mind the whole length is 12.68, so I need to minus that 4. So actually BC is 12.68 minus 4, which will give me 8.68. so with that I can find the perimeter easily. I'm just going to write in the middle here because I want to finish all in one page. So the perimeter is equal to, okay, the perimeter, I'll write first. So the perimeter will be equals to 5 plus 12.04 plus 8.68. okay, this plus this plus this. Okay, so I show you in pink color, this plus this plus this, then you get your perimeter, which will be equal to 25.7. okay, 25.7. sorry guys, I cramped everything in one place just because I want to make sure that when you check it's easy flow for you and for me also. Okay, so I'll just go through very quickly what they're saying. They want to find first the angle of AOB in radian, so we just do our using our sector formula. Then the second part, they want to find perimeter, so we need arc AB, we need line AC, and we need line BC. Actually AC is easy to find. Usually students stuck because they didn't know that this is a 90 degree. The moment you do 90 degree, it will be easy flow for you. Okay, so please return to the Zoom for any question. Thank you guys.